The day started with motivational speeches.
They don't have people in their community that will knock on their door and remind them of the safety tips that you're doing.
Then volunteers started their journey, knocking on doors throughout this northeast Oklahoma City neighborhood. The Greater Bethel Baptist Church and the Oklahoma City Police and Fire Departments were just a few groups who joined the Red Cross.
Zip code 73111, there are great many of fires. And so we're actually going to canvass the neighborhood in order to make a difference today.
Their mission is to save lives by making sure residents have working fire alarms.
Everybody's got to have a smoke detector in their house. I've seen numerous fires where people didn't get out of the house and it cost a family member their life, or the smoke detector did save somebody.
And helping them make an escape plan. Residents were also taught about cooking and heating safety. Those we spoke with were grateful.
I definitely think that's very generous because some people don't have fire detectors in their house and they're definitely needed.